this is Anthony from Ebike Hire. So the first thing you need to do when you arrive is sign in. So if you have a look down here, you need to read through the terms and conditions. There's nothing to catch you out here, but the main thing is don't take your bikes on the beach because the sand and the salt just kills them. And then just fill in your bike hire agreement and sign at the bottom. Once you've signed in, grab a route map of some of our suggested routes and a leaflet. If you do get into trouble, you can always give us a call and we'll come and help you. A selection of helmets and high-vis vests. They're pretty much all the same. They've got a chin strap that goes underneath. Oops, like this. Just make sure that this is adjusted right, and then on the back you've got a wheel that undoes and does it up, which tightens it around your head. Your high-vis vests are a very good idea, especially if you're going on any main roads, and they have the size which is basically small, medium, large and XL in the middle there. So here's an introduction to your electric bike. They're all the same. They are pedal assisted, so the power kicks in when you start pedaling. The seat is adjustable on this lever here, so you go up and down and then tighten up the lever. Also the handlebars are also adjustable on this lever here, up, down and then tighten like that. You don't need to spin these round or anything like that, just literally open and close. You can ride them like a normal bike, so you don't actually have to turn on the electric power if you want to get just familiar with the bike to start with. Occasionally you may need to fold the pedals out like this, but generally it's already done for you. So like I say, you can ride the bike like a normal bike. Just make sure that you put the side stand up. You've got a back brake and a front brake just like a normal bike, and then you've also got gears which all go away from you, so you either press that one or that one. Number 1 is the best gear to start in because that's where your feet go around the fastest, so it's best for going up hills or if you go through a gateway, anything like that. Number 6 is the most cruisy gear where your feet move the slowest. So ride the bike around to start with, maybe without the power, and then when you're ready, all you do is turn the key on all the way round and then press and hold the middle button. Now the dashboard will light up and it defaults to low power mode. Low power is generally fine for all sorts of general riding. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous as you get more confident, press the plus button and then it goes up into medium. You really don't need high. When you are parking up with your bike, put the stand down and then you can just switch the bike off on the key and then take the key out. Each bike has its own key for that bike, so make sure that when you get on your bike you check the number on the back. As you can see, this one's number 2, and then make sure that you keep the correct key with the bike. Also on the key you'll have another key which does the bike lock. The bike lock is mounted to the bike here and is removed by pressing this down and then spinning it round. Make sure that you put it in the same way as you got it out, otherwise your foot will hit it when you go round and round. Also supplied with the bike is an extension. Now you can use this to put the two bikes together and then go through, maybe round something and then onto the other bike using the D-lock. If you're riding with children, just make sure that they weigh under 22 kilograms and that they're securely fastened into the seat. This goes over the head and then clicks in like this. It can be adjusted on this strap here and also at the back. Make sure that the child also has a helmet which fits correctly. When riding with kids, make sure that you put the stand up and always step through the bike, never over the bike like this. So always step through like that and then get your friend, partner to help unload. Never put the bike down like this on the stand and leave the child in the back. Always hold the bike. Also, when riding with children, make sure that you go for a ride on the bike first, so that you're confident and comfortable with the bike before you even think about taking your child on the back. Some other things that you might want to consider at the moment are gloves and a face mask. It's unprecedented times, so best be safe than sorry. Always feel free to use the hand sanitizer at the gate.